Good morning, student. Yesterday we have seen few sums on the basis of that, and I have given you the homework also. Today let us see whether we have done right or not. First we are going to do the short revision. Here yesterday I told for the correct one, if the profit is there, for the correct one you are going to put a plus sign. For the incorrect, minus. Means if mistake is done in the case of profit, for the correct one you are going to do the plus sign, and for the incorrect you are going to put the minus sign. Same way in the interest on capital. If there is a mistake done in the interest of capital, that time also you are going to put the plus sign for the correct one and the negative sign for the incorrect. But in the case of interest on drawing, means if they forgot to write the interest on drawing, that time for the correct one you have to do the minus sign, and for the incorrect plus. For the loss, again the same thing, because these two are the expense for the partners. Expense means they have to pay. So this is not the income side of the partner. So here in this case also you are going to deduct the correct one, and for the incorrect you are going to put the plus sign. Okay, let us see the homework which I have given you. The sixth question homework I have given, that profit of the partnership firm of Sheila, Surbhi and Sanket is 1,35,000. They have shared profit in the ratio 2:1:3 instead of 3:2:1. It means this is the correct. Instead of means this is the right one, and this is the wrong which they have done. And they are talking about profit. So you know what case I have told for the profit. What according to the treatment to be given to the capital account to rectify the error. Capital account is clearly given here. So you are not going to write the journal entry for capital and current, but here capital is given, so you are going to write the journal entry for capital account. Just see the sum now. As I told, this is the case of profit. So you are, for the correct one you are going to put the plus sign, for the incorrect you are going to put the negative sign. Here are the three partners, Sheila, Surbhi and Sanket, and the profit was 1,35,000. This is the profit, and this is the correct ratio. Actually they have to distribute in the 3:2:3. Instead of means this is the correct, and this is the wrong one which they have done already, that is a 2:1:3. As I told up, that for the correct one you are going to put a plus sign. So here in this case, all the three cases there will be a plus sign. For the second case there will be a minus sign. Okay, so you are going to distribute this in this ratio 3:2:3. So you will get here 50,625. Here you will get 33,750. Here you will get 50,625. Now for the wrong one, they have distributed wrongly, that is 2:1:3. So you will get the answer here 45,000, here 22,500, 67,500. Now again the same thing, plus and minus, and you are going to put the greater sign. So here the answer will be 5,625, means 5,625, and you are going to put the plus sign. Same way you are going to deduct here, the biggest number is this, you are going to put the plus sign here, 11,250. Here this is the biggest sign, so here it will come in the negative sign, 16,875. Now this will credit, plus will always credit, and the minus will be debit. So our journal entry will be Sanket will debit Sanket's capital account. See students, here I have not written current account. I have written Sanket's capital account. Capital / current is not written, because in the question it is mentioned that what entry you are going to pass for the capital account. So here you are going to write 16,875 to Sheila's capital account. Current account you are not going to write here. So it is 5,625, and here it is 11,250. So this is what the rectification entry you can say, or your main answer is. Clear students? But you have to do this work also. This and this two work, you are going to get marks for this both. Directly you cannot pass the journal entry. So you have to do this rough work also. Next question is our 7th question. Now what is the 7th question? Ram, Rahim and the Ishu are the partners of a partnership firm. Their capital as on 1/4/2016 was 60,000, 40,000, 50,000. Now students, they are talking about interest on capital. They are talking about interest on capital. For interest on capital, we have to add for the correct one same, and the incorrect you have to put the minus sign. Now see, after this, the distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of 6% interest on partners capital account was missed out. So you have to write the rectification error. Here they have not passed, here they have not given that put the treatment for capital account. So in this case you are going to write capital / current both. Okay, because here it was clearly specified that you have to give the treatment for the capital account. So let's see students. First of all, the first step here is to find the interest on partners capital. So at 60,000 you are going to write 6% interest on capital, for 40,000 6%, and for the 50,000 also 6%. So let us see, 60,000 6% is how much? So the 60,000 6% is 6 6 are 36, so 3600. This was the correct one. Again I am repeating students, this is the interest on capital correct one which they have missed out, and here you are going to put the plus sign for interest on capital. Same way, the next is 40,000. For 40,000 6% is 2,400. Next one is that is 50,000 6% is 3,000. So here you are going to put the plus sign for all the three cases. When you are going to add it, it is 9,000. Now in this question they have not given a profit sharing ratio. It means they have distributed equally among the partners. So that was the mistake done by them. This was the correct one and this was the wrong they have distributed equally. So first we have done the total of this, that is a 9,000. Now you divide 9,000 divide by 3 because all the three partners. So here it is 3,000, here 3,000 and here 3,000. Clear student? This is minus. So here you are going to put the minus sign because it is an incorrect one. So in this case again the same thing, plus and minus, you are going to do the minus but you are going to put the biggest sign. So here will be 600, again plus and minus, minus, so minus 600. Here tally means there is no need to bring anything. So here 0, it will come 0. So only you are going to pass the entry for this two, that is now again the step debit always credit and minus always debit. So your journal entry will be Rahim's capital current account 600 and Ram's capital and current account 600. Clear students? So this was the 7th question. Now we are going to see the next 8th one. So the 8th question was here, Lata, Geeta and Praveena are the partners of the partnership firm. After distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of interest on partners drawing account respectively. So here they are talking about interest on drawing students. So I told you for the correct one, for the interest on drawing, for the correct one, you have to put the opposite sign now. As I told before, for the correct one you are going to put a minus sign, for the incorrect you are going to put the plus sign. Clear? So here you are going to put, this is the correct one which they have forgot to do, 2,700, 1,200 and 1,500. So here you are going to put the minus sign because interest on drawing is paid by the partners, their capital are reduced. So here you are going to write, let us see now. So here 2,700. This was the correct one which they have missed out. 1,200 and 1,500. So here the total is minus 54. Now you add all this, that is 54. Now here also profit sharing is not given, means they are the equal sharer, that is a 1:1:1. You divide it by 3, you will get 18,000, where you are going to put an plus sign. Here you are going to put a plus sign. Opposite you have to do in this case. Sorry. So, divide by 18, plus 18. Okay. So, plus 54. Now, again the same thing, plus and minus. Minus, you are going to put the biggest number sign. So, minus 900. Here also plus and minus. Minus, but you are going to put the biggest number sign. Here also plus and minus, minus, but biggest number sign. Now, the minus will be the debit balance. This 2 will be the credit balance. Here also they have not specified that you have to pass the entry for the capital account. So, you are going to write both capital and current account. Here the entry will be now Lata's capital account, that will be debited, and Geeta's capital and current account 600 and Praveena's 300. So, this is how you are going to pass. This is the rectification entry. Let's see the ninth one now. The ninth question was Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod are the partners of the partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 4:2:3. Dhaval and Vinod has given assurance to the Mukesh that he will get a minimum 35,000. Students, now here Mukesh and Vinod, here are the three partners, Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod, but Dhaval and Vinod have promised Mukesh to get at least 35,000. If he is not able to get this much profit, then this two person have decided to give him a give his share, her share from their profit. Clear, students? Now keep in mind here, this ratio is a capital proportion. Students, this is not an profit sharing ratio, but this is an capital proportion. Students always does mistake in this case. Keep in mind, students always do the mistake in this case, that is, this is the capital proportion. So 4:2:3. This is, you are not going to distribute in this ratio, but they have not given any profit sharing ratio here. So you are going to distribute equally among all the three partners. So 90,000 divided by 3 will be 30,000, if you will see. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Here is the 30,000. Now these two have promised to give Mukesh at least 35,000. So 5,000 less he is getting. You are going to add it 5,000. Now when you are going to do the total here, it will be 35,000, and the 5,000 difference will be distributed among these two partners, that is a Dhaval and Vinod, equally, because they are equal sharer. So you are going to deduct 2,500 here. Here also you are going to deduct 2,500, and whatever the answer is, now he is going to get, Dhaval is going to get 27,500, and he is also going to get 27,500. So this is the sum. This is the profit received by them. Clear, students? Now the next question is, the closing capital of Raghuveer is 80,000, in which rupees 12,500 drawing of current account and the profit of rupees 17,800 are recorded. As I told, interest is always calculated on the opening balance, not on the closing balance. So you have to find here the opening balance. For the opening balance, you have to do all the things reverse. When you, if you are adding, if you are deducting drawing, in this case you are going to add. If you are adding profit, but in this case you are going to deduct. So you are going to do all the thing opposite here. So let us see here. This is the closing capital 80,000. You are going to add drawing, and you are going to deduct profit. You got the opening capital. Clear, students? 74,700, and now you calculate the interest on capital 6%. So you will get interest on capital 6%, 4,482. Clear, students? So this is the answer is. Clear, students? Now the last question homework I have given, that was A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in equal proportion. Their total capital is 4,50,000. Their proportion of capital is 1:3:2. Firms pay interest on capital at 9% per annum. Partner C has received 73,500 including interest on capital. Now there are three partners. They have already given how much C got. and from this base you have to find this both two how much they are going to get. This is also students capital ratio, not a profit sharing ratio. It means in this case also they are equal sharer, that is 1:1:1. So let us see the sum now. Here first of all you are going to calculate the interest on capital. The capital you have to distribute the capital in the ratio 1:3:2. So the capital is how much? 4,50,000. So you have to distribute, you are going to distribute this 4,50,000 in the ratio 1:3:2. Students, now you know how to calculate. 1 divided by 3, 4, 5, 6. Again I am repeating 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to divide it by 1/6. For the second partner you are going to take 4,50,000 into 3 divided by 6. So in this way you are going to get this one. Clear students? Now the next is they have already given how much C is getting. C is getting 73,500. Clear? And this is up is then interest given. So now what you are going to do here, this is an profit sharing ratio. From this is a capital distribution. Now how much interest is being got? 9%. They are given in the question 9% interest. They are going to get 9% interest here on their capital. Here 9% interest on their capital. So you are going to find 9% of 75,000, that will be 6,750. Again 9% of 2,25,000 is 20,250. Same way 9% of 1,50,000 is 13,500. Clear students? Now they have already given how much C is getting. So deduct 70,500 and you deduct this 13,500. You will get the difference here, and that difference is 60,000. And all the three are equal sharer, means this both are also going to get a 60,000 here. Taking the base of C, you are going to find how much A and B is going to get. Now add this both, you are going to get how much B is going to get? 80,250, and A is going to get 66,750. So this is the answer which is been. You check your exercise, you check your answer students. If you have done, very good, and if something wrong is done, you can check from this answer students.